Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making earrings with this really nice fluffy pink yarn, and it has a little bit of sparkles as well, so it will turn out really nicely. I'll be using a crochet hook 4.5 millimeter to make a slip knot. You can do it in many different ways. Here's how I like to do it sometimes. Place it on the hook and tighten. From here we're going to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that we have completed 4 chains, we're going to make 4 incomplete double crochets into the back stitch. So where is the back stitch? So this is my front. If you turn the work slightly, these are the back stitches right here and right here. So in that very first one here is where I'm going to be doing 4 incomplete double crochets. So yarn over, turn the work a little bit, and you're going to insert the hook into this back stitch right there. First time around might be a little bit tight, and you're going to do yarn over and pull a loop. So now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Usually to complete a double crochet you'll do yarn over and pull through both, but instead of that we're going to do another double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook again into the same stitch, pull another loop. Now you have 4 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through only 2, and again we'll repeat that one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, that first stitch in the back, pull a loop. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. So now we are left with 4 loops on our hook. From here on we're going to finish this 2 at a time. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and this is what we have. We're going to continue and do the same 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn the work, and we're going to do 4 incomplete double crochets in the back of the first chain. So yarn over, insert the hook in the back, pull a loop until you have 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and now usually again you're going to be doing yarn over and pull through these 2. However, and then again yarn over, insert the hook into the back stitch, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, one more incomplete double crochet, yarn over, pull another loop, and pull 2. And now that we have 4 left on the hook, we're going to complete them by doing yarn over and pulling through 2 at a time. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is the second. Let's keep going. 4 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, turn the work, insert the hook into the very first stitch in the back, and pull another loop. Yarn over, pull through only 2. And then again, one more incomplete double crochet. Yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through only 2, and then one last incomplete double crochet into the same stitch, and then we're left with 4 loops on the hook. Let's complete this one by pulling through 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through 2 more. So that's where we are right now. We're going to do that 2 more times, so we have a total of 5. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Again, double crochet, incomplete double crochet into the very first back stitch of those 4 chains. Pull through a loop until you have 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through only 2. Again, 1 more incomplete double crochet, and last one. So now that we have 4, we're going to complete it by pulling through 2 at a time. Okay, now we have 4. Let's do one last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 4 incomplete double crochets into the very first back stitch of the 4 chains. So that's my first chain, and I'm going in the back. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, 1 more, and now that we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through the last. And we have a total of 5. Now we're going to connect the very first one with a slip stitch. Pull the yarn out, grab your scissors and cut. You can take this one out. You can tie these together if you would like to. These 2 tail ends can be, you can use either crochet hook or crochet needle to weave them into the work, hide them. And I'll do that one more time. This one I can cut off. And you can do the same with the other one. And I'll cut this one too. Okay, so this is 1/2 of my earring. I'm going to make 1 more of these, and then I'll come right back and show you how to finish the earrings. Alright, so I've made 2 of those now, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the back and go back to back like this and glue them together. So I took both of them and glued them together. So now we have a thicker earring. The last thing left is to connect it to an earring hook. And that's pretty easy. Just take the hook, open it, And there you go. This is our earrings for today. I hope you like them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.